I'm Andy Vidan, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Composable Analytics. I've spent the last 10 years almost at MIT Lincoln Laboratory as a technical staff member and associate technology officer. My background is in physics and math, and at the laboratory I studied distributed computing and built web applications for homeland security and defense systems.
So my name is Lars. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Composable. Andy and I founded this about a year ago, where we were at MIT Lincoln Laboratory working together on this project. At the lab, I was working on various distributed command and control systems, serious gaming platforms. I have a pretty extensive background in business intelligence. So I was a software developer at Microsoft.
So Lars and I met at MIT Lincoln Laboratory. At the lab, we've both been working on distributed computing systems, big data, data fusion projects for both homeland security and defense applications. And my background is in math and physics, and Lars's background is in software development.
Yeah, that's right. So when we were at the lab, we recognized that there's a lot of problems in the industry in terms of data and managing that information, and linking people together across those different information sources that they use day to day. And so we kind of decided to try and tackle that problem and provide a general and flexible solution to manage the flow of information between people and these complex data systems.
So MIT Lincoln Laboratory is at the forefront of providing big data solutions, data analytics to our defense and homeland security personnel. And we saw early on that there is lots and lots of data coming to an army of analysts, intelligence analysts, security analysts, defense analysts, who needed a self-service platform to be able to conduct their own data analysis on the data that they're receiving. And because of that, we developed a very flexible solution, as Lars was saying, that allows an analyst to, within a single platform, do the entire analytical pipeline of data ingestion, parsing, enrichment, cleansing, analysis, and finally distribution. And this tool was innovative and one of a kind, and because of that, we saw that there's applicability within the private sector for this tool.
Yeah, and so one of the initial use cases for the platform was really in the healthcare arena, and primarily in public health, although it's being applied in many other sectors now in terms of the energy sector, and finance as well. But in terms of the healthcare sector, one of the things that we see is that day in, day out, people are trying to do and solve the same problems of getting data, analyzing data, pivoting it in various ways, and basically kind of going through and mining all this information. And so we decided, let's create a platform that allows them to do that very seamlessly, all the way, as Andy was saying, from ingesting the data, massaging it, all the way up to visualizing that information in an intuitive way.